Hello everyone.
Hi.
My name is Romi Ardiansyah. You can call me Romi. I am 14 years old. I was born on 25 May 2010. I live in Trawulan and I study in BAEC Trawulan. There are 4 people in my family: father, mother, brother, and me. I like blue color, but I do not like black color. I like watermelon, but I do not like guava. I like sheep, but I do not like dog. In my free time, I like to read BAEC, but in the future, I wanna be army because I want to save the world. Thank you so much and goodbye.